moved in. Yesterday, it was off in the central and southern plains, down around Kansas and Missouri and Oklahoma and Arkansas, but that low kind of lifted toward West Michigan, and as it did so, it brought the clouds first yesterday and now bringing the rain. First thought, we didn't think that rain would come as far north, but it is. But look, back off.
Mass control is jigging. Yeah, I see it. We'll take care of it.
Target locked. Fire.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Angie.
What you got there?
Just some leftovers from the Christmas party.